Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going back to Altcoin Alert and the trading analysis sort on the Fantom coin, FTM. Let's go to the Altcoin Alert site. It was around it was around 8 or 9 in the morning yesterday when I was on this site, and I took a quick look at the top 5 score, looked at a couple of these coins. I actually did buy BNB. I'm still in that one in slight profit right now. But I did the trading activity sort. You can sort by AA score. You can even look for coins to short in this scenario. I've tinkered with trading or sorting by the 1 hour projected range. I did look at this yesterday, didn't find anything I really liked, but the trading activities sort has been the most reliable. So Fantom comes up. I traded this coin recently. It's been pushing up lately. I traded it off and on in 2020, so I'm sort of familiar with it, and I like what I see. I've got fire under social activity and trading activity. I'm looking for a neutral or above AA score. I've got that. So I check it out. So let's go over to the FTM chart. So here we are on the FTM chart, and this is what I'm looking at yesterday morning. It's been in a dip sequence. This is a recent high, but it's not. It's dipping, but it's mostly in a squeeze, sort of like a squeeze dip, but not much really puncturing through the SMA line. I mean the Bollinger Band. So I do get a dip here, and then it's starting to come back, punches through the SMA line. So I go ahead and get in at 53.80 at 4:52 or 2:52 p.m. And regarding an exit point, I marked a few resistance levels I saw. I see this one here at 56.07. That's not much of a profit, so I ruled that one out. The middle score, or the middle option here at 58.36. Thinking about that one, but I get aggressive on this, especially after yesterday's video where I wasn't aggressive enough. So this is 62.65. I set my exit for 61.75. But the coin takes me on a wild ride at this point. Goes sideways and down, up, looking good here. I'm in profit, then not so much. Takes a big dip. I'm thinking I may have to ladder buy at this point, but it recovers, then shoots up here, and I get out at 58.50 at 8.35. I've got a profit of 8.627% profit. I actually canceled my order that was over 61 and played it. I mean, 8% is pretty aggressive in general for a day trade, but when I saw this trend and then the red candle show up here, I went ahead and just said, I've got 8%. That's good. Don't want to be greedy, but it did trend up and actually did hit that 61 and actually went over the recent high too. But I'm not going to complain about 8.6% in 18 hours. That's a good day trade. So that's all I have today. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.